Hello, assalamu alaikum. In this new lecture series or in this new lecture video, actually I'm going to show you about the interface of Microsoft Excel. So when will you click or open the Microsoft Excel button, right? I mean this one, the icon, or from start button, you can write Excel right here. So same actually. In the last video, in the last section, I showed you the details, right? So this is the welcome page of the Microsoft Excel. From here you can learn. This is the home page. This is the, if you would like to um, create a new file, right? Or if you would like to open the existing file from here, this is your option, right? On the other hand, you can check your account. This is the 2021 version and it's the activated version, right? Sometimes you may face some problem. Is my version is activated or not? You can check from here, right? There are options. There are lots of options are here. I will talk about all this section. I mean, this section, right? So I will talk about this section in later stage. Okay, so this is the Microsoft opening, Microsoft Excel openings. Yeah. Okay, so let me open a new file. It's a new worksheet. So from here, blank worksheet, this one, right? So actually, it's the screen component. There are lots of options are in here, right? So first of all, the terminology. Actually, terminology while different in different version, but it's all are same for the different version actually. For example, if you go to the Microsoft of Excel 13 version, 16 version, 19 version, 21 version, it's quite same, right? So don't worry about the options. I mean this menu bar, ribbon, or other terminologies are in here, right? So from here, actually this one, can you please see here? This one, this one. So this one actually is the title bar, right? So book one in Microsoft Excel is the title bar, and here is a search bar. But in the last version, the previous version, like 13, 16, you will not get this bar in the front page or the front interface, right? Here you will find the file menu, right, or file tab, right? This all are the tab actually, file menu, and here these are the quick access toolbar. For example, this is the new Excel file. It's the save option, undo, redo. You can open the file, you can open a new worksheet, you can print, right? So this is the how can I say quick access toolbar, right? It's all about the quick. On the other hand, please see here this one, right? A1 it means it's a name bar. So name bar, it shows you where is your cursor. For example, my cursor is in a column, one row. That means it's A1, right? If my cursor is in here, for example, M here, right? So here, so it shows the M column and 10th row, right? 10th row. So here it will show M10, right? Okay, this is the name bar. On the other hand, please see here, you can see here there are some functions types. On the other hand, there is a bar is in here. Control Z. There is a bar is in here, right? Long bar. So this bar is called the formula bar. So you can write any types of formula function is in here, right? On the other hand, for example, this one, there are lots of cell. This one is a cell. For example, this one is a each cell. So what is cell? Cell, it means where the row and column intersect, right? For example, A1. So a column and one row intersect, it means the A1, right? A1 cell. Okay, so on the other hand, this part, actually this whole part, we can say it's a it's a worksheet area actually, this whole part, right? On the other hand, you can see here the column, for example, column A, column B, column C, D, E, F. When it will finish, right? When it will finish, actually you can get the B, AC. So do you have any idea how many columns is in here, right? So if I'm not wrong, it's more than 16,000 something, right? On the other hand, do you have any idea about the row? How many rows are in here? One, two, three, four, right? So 10 lakh 48,000 576, if I'm not wrong, right? Okay, let me check. So click here and just control shift and down arrow, control shift down arrow, sorry, control down arrow. So you can see here, yes, 10 lakh 48,576 rows are in here. So if you would like to go to the home, just control and up arrow, and uh, you can find here, right? So it's all about. On the other hand, here you can find some zoom area, right? So zoom. So it depends on you. For example, oh my God, it should be 100. Okay, it should be 100. Okay, so this all about the interface. On the other hand, you can say here the sheet, right? Sheet one, you can click the plus sign and you can take another sheet, sheet two, sheet three, sheet four, right? So you can rename the sheet one. For example, rename sheet one, it's sales, right? For example, sheet two is rename the uh, accounting, right? And blah, blah, blah. On the other hand, if you would like to make it, for example, color, just right click and go to the color tab and you can pick here. Okay, so accounting is a red color, right? So uh, tab color, for example, this one. Uh, okay, so in this way, you can create the different color. Okay. Oh, anything else? No. Oh, anything else? It means here you can see three others option. For example, this is the minimize option, and here you can maximize the option. Right here is the restore down. For example, it will set just area, right? So restore and click here, it will be restored, and it's the cross. Cross, it means the close, right? So I'm not going to there. There. On the other hand, for example, this part. No, no, not this one. This one actually is the uh, menu bar, right? So in each menu, you will find this ribbon. So under this menu bar, home menu, you will find this ribbon. But honestly speaking, you are seeing that there are lots of others options, right? For example, this is menu bar, and here you will find the ribbon bar, right? For example, green color, this is the ribbon bar, okay? And see here, this part is a group, right? And caliber font is a group, okay? And here is the alignment group, the number group, right? And the style group and the cell group, okay? And here you will find the editing group, and finally here is the add-in group. So first of all, we call it the maneuver. Second, summation of all group is a ribbon bar, right? But ribbon is classified into several groups. For example, this one, clipboard groups, here font groups, here alignment groups, number groups, style groups, cell group, and editing. And if you notice in each menu, I mean tab, you will find one ribbon bar, and this ribbon bar is classified into several groups. Page layout, you will find another ribbon bar, right? And it's classified into several groups, right? Same for formula, data, review, view, help, provide, and this is actually it's for my personal use, excel stat. This is the another add-ins, right? You will not find in your computer maybe. So if you would like to get the excel stat cloud mode, so you need to download it, and it's free. But excel stat is a very, very powerful software. You can do discriminant statistics, inferential statistics. Even right now in the latest version, you can do the machine learning uh, algorithm. You can learn the machine learning algorithm, right? So but it's not free actually. Okay, but this excel cloud is free, and maybe you will get 15 option to calculate freely, right? So I do believe this all about the interface of the excel, right? So it's so easy and not difficult actually. On the other hand, if you would like to learn uh, the file, right? So how we can do it? There are lots of options. New, same as Microsoft Office. Open, same as Word, right? And save as, everything is same actually, right? So if you have knowledge on Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, so I think it's not very difficult for you. On the other hand, when you go to the home menu, and you need to learn something, how we can use the font group, how we can use the alignment group, number group, formatting, I mean style group, right? So one by one, in the whole session, maybe in the next 3 months or 4 months, I will try to describe everything in a very easiest way to you, right? So after the next video, uh, keep me in your prayers. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. On the other hand, if you have any question or some new idea to share with me, right, just let me know in the comments box. I'll try my best to give the best solution, right? Okay, okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.